This is the Insta360 One X2. It is the successor to the very popular Insta360 One X of 2.5 years ago. In this video, what I want to do is just give you guys 9 things that you should know about this new 360 camera. And before I get started, I do want to mention that Insta360 did mail me this pre-production model. They have not sponsored this video or told me what to say about this camera whatsoever. Number 1. This camera has a very similar design to the original Insta360 One X. The X2 is a little bit thicker, but there are several good reasons for that. The first thing that you'll notice is around the front now there is a circular screen that is a touch screen, so it makes navigating the menu system a ton easier. You can also use this circular touchscreen to preview your video footage before you record or even while you're recording. Number 2, the resolution on the X2 is the same as what you got with the One X. This camera shoots at 5.7K, which is above 4K at up to 30 frames per second, but it has several other modes, including shooting 3K at up to 100 frames per second for super slow-mo footage. While the resolution has remained the same on this camera, the bitrate has increased, so now you can record at 100 megabits per second, which is great, and the colors are improved, so you can shoot in HDR video modes as well. Number 3, the X2 has a much larger battery than the original X. This new battery occupies well over half of the entire device, and it has 55% more capacity, which means you don't have to charge it as much in between shoots. While I have the battery removed, you'll see that the micro SD card slot has been moved to inside of the battery cover, which I think is a good move. And since we're here, you'll see right above the battery compartment, there is a USB-C port for charging and for data transfer. Number 4. The Insta360 One X2 has a smoother flow state stabilization algorithm. They call it flow state 3.0, I believe now, which is a 6-axis stabilization system, and it results in some mind-blowingly smooth footage. Improved audio. One of the biggest problems with the original One X was audio, which was terrible. On this One X2, there are now 4 microphones. That's right, 4 microphones. And I've noticed that the audio is much, much better than before.
Ready? Let's go.
Insta360 also says that ambisonic audio, whatever that is, I'm guessing some sort of 360 audio, is coming via a firmware update to the X2 very soon. Number 6. This new camera is now waterproof up to 10 meters or 33 feet without any sort of case. You can just dunk it into a pool of water and not have to worry about it. And what's great about that is Insta360 also has what they call Aqua Vision, which allows for much clearer video when you are using this camera underwater. Number 7. Deep Track 2.0. Deep Track 2.0 is an advanced tracking algorithm that works on humans, animals, or any moving subject. You can simply record in 360 with this camera, and then once you are done, you can select an object in your frame, and this little camera and the software behind it will track that object and allow you to make a whole bunch of motions and movements around that moving object. Number 8, built-in voice controls, and also this camera supports AirPods, so if you want to use your AirPods to control this camera, you can do that, which is pretty great. Number 9, this is going to be a laundry list, but the headline is a far more advanced and versatile app which features a ton of AI-powered shots. I'm going to go down the list really quickly, that way you guys can know what is built into the app and what's included with this camera, but I'm not going to go into too much detail. There is freeze frame, there is a point and shoot Steadicam mode which uses one lens and looks just like an action camera that is super stabilized. The resolution isn't great in this mode, but it is there. You can take pure shot photos with high dynamic range, horizon lock mode, clone mode, bullet time 3.0, which is apparently much more stable, auto time shift mode, insta panorama built in, live streaming, and the last thing that I'll mention is there is a new multi-view 360 mode, which is kind of interesting because it kind of divides 2 video feeds, one forward, one rear facing. So if you have this in front of you and you're driving a car, you can kind of see what's in front and see what your reaction is behind the wheel, which is pretty cool. So there is a ton of new stuff built into this little 360 action camera. The biggest things I think for me are the bigger battery and the much easier interface as far as having a touchscreen on the very front of it. Beyond that, the picture quality is a little bit improved, but in general, it is very similar to the original Insta One X, which I have loved using. So very worthy update. As far as performance, I've been using this over the last couple of weeks. Everything has been pretty smooth. I've had the app freeze on me one time, and I've actually had the camera freeze on me one time, but I've updated the firmware and it hasn't given me any issues. And so I guess that's one of the best things about this camera, is that because Insta360 is constantly updating their firmware and releasing new features and cool new things, there is a whole lot of things that this camera can currently do, and in the future, undoubtedly, it will be able to do much more. You're not just buying a camera, you're buying a ton of great features that are going to come out in the future as well. As far as pricing, this thing is just over $400, so it's pretty consistent. In fact, it has many of the great features of the Insta360 One R, which I think is excellent, at a lower price, because some of the features that I mentioned aren't even available on the One R. So I think they have another hit on their hands, and undoubtedly they're going to sell a ton of these. I'd encourage you to check out the links down below. I'll link over to the Insta360 website as well as Amazon, where you guys can read more and purchase this camera if you choose to do so. That is going to be it for this review of the Insta360 One X2. Hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something. As always, thank you guys for all of your likes, comments, and support. Stay tuned for more, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.